What's up, YouTube? So, got this motherfucker today. That's the old motherfucker. It's all cracked. And right now, what I'm doing is, see how this shit's all bent in? I'm like pulling it out, straightening it with force, you know what I mean? Trying to get this shit aligned, trying to get this thing to align. This one as well, I'm trying to align this shit so it pops right in, you know what I mean? Alright, we'll pop the motherfucker in and see how it looks. So I gotta replace the hood, still gotta replace the bumper, but fuck it, for now, I get passes, you know? It's all good. Fuck, I really need to replace the bumper ASAP. And then, obviously the fitment of the hood's off. But, for now, I guess shit is better than before. She's alright. She still crashed, but that's how she looks like with the fucking grill. She looks alright. Little by little. God, I freaking love these headlights though. Yeah, man, little by little. What's up, everybody? To the No More Locked Doors podcast.
We're on a sick one, all right?
This is your host with the most, 909 VIG DAWG,
And this is A.O. Allen.
and
You know
you're already listening to the
No more locked doors.
podcast. I'm probably gonna just cut that part out and just insert it. Insert.
Oh, now you can go into editing, huh?
Yeah, man. I mean, it's like I could have always edited. That's not the problem. The problem was